Think of creatine as a fuel source for your muscles, delivering additional power. We receive creatine from our food, usually from meat and fish. Many athletes supplement with creatine to boost performance. Creatine monohydrate is a very effective type. It enhances creatine phosphate concentration in muscles. This functions as a reservoir of energy during intensive activity. Creatine helps you push harder and longer during exercises. It enables muscles to perform harder and recuperate quicker. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning, creatine is helpful. Creatine has long been a standard substance among bodybuilders and athletes wanting to put on muscular gain. Numerous studies have proved its efficiency in stimulating muscle development and strength improvements, but how exactly does creatine work its magic? One method creatine helps to muscle growth is by raising the rate of protein synthesis. This mechanism is crucial for muscle repair and development after hard exercise. Creatine supplies the building blocks essential for your muscles to recuperate and develop stronger. Furthermore, creatine supplementation may lead to an increase in muscle cell volumization. This implies that your muscle cells contain more water, producing an environment suitable to muscle protein production. The increasing cell volume also strains the muscle cell membrane, signaling anabolic pathways and stimulating additional development. Research repeatedly reveals that those who supplement with creatine report larger improvements in lean muscle mass and strength compared to those who don't. A research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology demonstrated that creatine supplementation boosted lean body mass and strength in resistance-trained people. In conclusion, creatine's capacity to stimulate protein synthesis and promote muscle cell volumization makes it an effective supplement for increasing muscular development and strength. Creatine is renowned for muscular growth, but it may also assist with fat reduction. It doesn't directly burn fat, but may assist develop a leaner body. Creatine enhances energy throughout exercises, helping you burn more calories. More muscle mass from creatine may enhance your metabolism. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. Combine creatine with diet and exercise for optimum results. Creatine monohydrate is one of the most widely researched athletic supplements on the market, having a long history of safe and beneficial usage. Numerous research have explored the long-term effects of creatine supplementation, offering useful insights into its safety profile. Research has repeatedly demonstrated that creatine supplementation, even at large dosages and over lengthy durations, is typically safe for healthy persons. A systematic evaluation published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism revealed that creatine supplementation is safe and well tolerated when taken correctly. Furthermore, studies have demonstrated that creatine does not have any harmful impact on kidney or liver function in healthy persons. These results have been supported by several investigations, including both short-term and long-term creatine consumption. It's crucial to highlight that persons with pre-existing medical issues, especially those connected to kidney or liver function, should check with their doctor before using creatine or any other supplements. Overall, the scientific data largely supports the creatine usage in healthy adults. While creatine is typically safe and well accepted, some people may have modest adverse effects, especially during the beginning phases of supplementation. These adverse effects are generally transitory and may be reduced with correct dose and water. One typical adverse effect is gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea. This is generally related to consuming excessive dosages of creatine at once. To reduce stomach difficulties, start with a smaller dosage and gradually raise it as tolerated. Another possible problem is water weight gain. Creatine may attract water into your muscle cells, resulting to an initial rise in body weight. This weight gain is transitory and is merely a function of increased hydration in your muscles. Some people may also develop muscular cramps or strains when using creatine. This is commonly due to dehydration, underscoring the need of remaining well hydrated when supplementing with creatine. It's vital to note that these adverse effects are generally modest and transitory. If you encounter any persistent or severe adverse effects, cease usage and talk with your healthcare practitioner. Creatine supplementation might alter your body's water balance, making it vital to emphasize hydration when taking this supplement. Understanding the relationship between creatine and hydration is key for optimizing its advantages, benefits, and reducing possible negative effects. Creatine transports water into your muscle cells, which is one of the processes by which it stimulates muscular development. This increased water level in your muscles might contribute to moderate dehydration. If you're not sufficiently replacing your fluids, dehydration might present as weariness, fatigue, muscle cramps, headaches, and impaired workout performance. Staying well hydrated while taking creatine may help avoid these difficulties and ensure your body performs efficiently. Aim to drink enough of water throughout the day, particularly on training days. You may also use electrolyte-rich liquids such as sports drinks or coconut water to restore electrolytes lost via perspiration. By addressing hydration, you can support your body's reaction to creatine supplementation and enhance its advantages. One of the most persistent fallacies regarding creatine is its possible harmful influence on renal function. This issue frequently originates from the fact that creatine is processed in the kidneys. However, multiple scientific research have refuted this fallacy. Research has repeatedly proven that creatine, even at large dosages and for lengthy durations, does not have any deleterious impact on renal function in healthy persons. A research published in the Journal of Athletic Training revealed no indication of kidney injury in athletes supplementing with creatine. It's crucial to remember that persons with pre-existing renal disease or those at risk of developing kidney difficulties should contact with their doctor before using creatine or any other supplements. The scientific data strongly supports the safety of creatine supplementation for kidney health in healthy adults. Just as with kidney health, questions have been raised concerning the possible influence of creatine supplementation on liver function. However, scientific study has repeatedly established that creatine is harmless for the liver in healthy persons. Studies have demonstrated that creatine supplementation does not raise liver enzymes, which are indications of liver damage. In fact, several research show that creatine may even have protective benefits on the liver. A research published in the journal Clinical Gastroenterology and Hepatology demonstrated that creatine supplementation improved liver function in individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's vital to underline that these results relate to healthy persons. Individuals with pre-existing liver issues should contact with their doctor before using creatine or any other supplements. While creatine is typically well accepted, some people may suffer some digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea, especially during the beginning phases of supplementation. These adverse effects are generally transitory and may be reduced with right dose and tactics. One typical cause of stomach difficulties is taking big dosages of creatine at once. To reduce gastric pain, start with a lesser dosage such as 3 to 5 grams per day and gradually raise it as tolerated. This progressive method helps your body to adjust to the supplement. Another useful technique is to take creatine with meals. Consuming creatine with meals may slow down its absorption, minimizing the chance of gastrointestinal distress. If you're very sensitive to stomach difficulties, you may try utilizing a micronized type of creatine monohydrate. Micronized creatine includes smaller particles, which may increase its solubility and absorption, thereby lowering gastric pain. Is its possible relation to hair loss? This issue typically originates from anecdotal stories and a lack of strong scientific proof. However, it's crucial to study the existing evidence and comprehend the various processes involved. Some studies have shown that creatine supplementation may raise levels of dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, a hormone associated to hair loss in males genetically prone to male pattern baldness. However, these trials are restricted and frequently include large dosages of creatine. Furthermore, some research have revealed no significant relationship between creatine consumption and hair loss. A research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition indicated that creatine supplementation did not decrease hair loss in male athletes. It's vital to note that additional study is required to definitely identify whether and how creatine intake may affect hair loss. If you have worries about hair loss, it's crucial to check with a dermatologist or healthcare expert. Creatine monohydrate is one of the most studied and efficient supplements for increasing sports performance and muscular building. Its safety profile is well known, with multiple studies showing its safety for long-term usage. Benefits include increased muscular growth, strength, and enhanced workout performance. Creatine may also enhance energy levels throughout exercises and encourage muscular development. Some may encounter modest side effects including stomach discomfort or muscular cramping. These are generally transitory and decreased with adequate dose and water. Concerns concerning long-term dangers including kidney or liver damage have been dispelled by studies. Creatine, when taken correctly, has a great safety record. In conclusion, creatine provides compelling advantages for sportsmen and fitness lovers. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.